Hi, Timothy Eckert here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate typecasting in C. So I've included my header file and main function, so let's get started. So I'm going to create two integers. One is a numerator, and the other is a denominator. Okay, and we're also going to create a float called, just call it C. Okay, and we're going to create a program that rewrites a fraction as a decimal. Okay, so I'm going to do a printf here. And I'm going to say, just explain the program. This program rewrites a fraction as a decimal. Okay, and do a new line character at the end there. And then we'll ask the user for the numerator of the fraction, which is the top part of the fraction. So enter the numerator, top part of the fraction. And we'll do a scanf. We scan in an integer. Remember, we need that ampersand in front of the name of the variable. Okay, and then we'll do another printf, enter the denominator, bottom part of the fraction. Okay, and we'll do another scanf here, another integer. Remember the ampersand again. Otherwise, you get a segmentation default. And then we're going to say we're going to have to typecast now, because if I just did a integer divided by an integer, I'm actually going to get an integer in C. So I'm going to typecast these to floats. And the way I do that, I'm going to say C equals, and then within parentheses float. You see the syntax highlighting changes a little bit. And then right next to it, we'll do numerator. And then we'll do the divided by symbol. And then we're also going to typecast the denominator. So float. And my text editor Emacs is letting me know that, yep, that is a keyword. And then we'll do denominator. Okay. So that's how we typecast. That's how we use these as floats. Okay. And then I'm going to say the fraction as a decimal is equal to, and we'll do a percentage sign. Then I'm going to do 0.2 because I only want 2 decimal places. I don't want it to get too crazy. And then F for float, and then we'll put a period, /n for a new line there, and we'll pass in C at the end of this. Finally, at the end of our main function, we'll return 0. We'll save it, and let's compile it. All right, so we'll compile typecasting.c into just typecasting. Okay. All right, and let's run it. Okay, so let's enter the top part of the fraction. Let's say 2, and enter the bottom part. So rounded, we should get if we do 3, we should get 0.67. Okay, so the fraction as a decimal is equal to 0.67. All right, let's do this again. This time, let's do 5 for our numerator and 2 for our denominator. And we're going to get 2.5. Okay. So, yeah, that's basically how you would use typecasting in C to change how the variable functions. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you did, please consider giving this video a like. It really does help. And I want to thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.